Welcome to know about ClickFunnels Beginner. How to use ClickFunnels for beginners. The video below will teach you the same things you will learn inside of this article. If you like watching videos more, feel free to watch below. So, what is ClickFunnels? Let's say you have a business or want to start a business, but you have no tech experience at all or are a complete beginner, then you need ClickFunnels. So, what is it? Well, it's the best software ever created. And by the time you're done reading this blog or watching the video, you will know how to use ClickFunnels like a pro. Now, let me explain more in depth for you so you can actually learn how to use ClickFunnels. It is an online website builder, or as we call it, a sales funnel builder, with a drag and drop editor that handles and simplifies marketing, selling and delivery of products and services online. Click the link below this video for more updates. They offer pre-built templates for just about every business, product or service you could think of. They even have a share funnel option, which is a special URL that every funnel has inside of its settings, that you can send to anyone and then you can enter in your web browser. Then with just the click of a button, boom! You got a beautifully crafted series of web pages, funnels, uploaded into your account in seconds. Which is simplest terms. That means you can have entire online business uploaded into your own ClickFunnels account in seconds. Just a few examples of the many possibilities of funnels: sell a physical product, sell a digital product, collect emails, create a live webinar, get more leads. The best part? You don't even need to know how to write a single line of code. Sounds too good to be true, right? Just picture a website on steroids. These sales funnels aren't just websites, like I said before, they're complete businesses. Just to name a few, it captures leads, easily integrates payment processors and every single useful app you could think of, and it even has its own full shopping cart for selling your products. ClickFunnels is literally an all-inclusive tool that can replace your website, email marketing software, web hosting and pretty much anything else you use to run and market your business online. No more dealing with stressful third-party integrations. ClickFunnels does it all. Now, there are various ways to make money online, and ClickFunnels can help you make more with every single one of them. Important, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, those do not exist. There is no millionaire that earned their millions without working. You cannot get rich without having to work. However, ClickFunnels, in my opinion, is by far the easiest way to increase your chances at making money online. Anyways, like I said, there are so many ways to make money online. And one of those ways is with affiliate marketing. It's my favorite and happens to be what I teach, imagine that. Thanks for watching this video.